one of the things that I struggle with when I'm making a track is to make sure that I've got the right bass notes playing. It's all down to the fact that the frequencies that generally exist where you're creating your bass line are really low, and it all depends on the monitoring, how much you're actually hearing that clearly. So sometimes you can end up creating a bass line that, even though it feels right, the notes are wrong. So I'm going to show you a little trick that you can use, and this might reveal things a little bit better for you. So you've just heard this is a remix of Candy Stanton's You Got the Love, and I've got a bass line over here. This is running using Reactor, and it's the Razor instrument, and it's sounding like this. Have a listen. And this works with the keys here. So let's put both together. So this is the trick. All right, what I do is I just drop in the MIDI pitch device. I take things up 12 semitones, and then I listen. So now I can hear the notes very clearly. So I'm going to go through the variations. There's a progression here coming up. And thankfully things are actually, in this case, sounding right. Really useful technique that you can use. So if you ever need to check your bass, particularly if it's in the low bass areas, just take it up 12 semitones, have a listen. And then what you can do is, if you do spot anything that doesn't sound quite right, just go into the clip and make the changes. So let me just show you here. If you did spot something, I'll take this out. Let's go into this particular clip. The other thing you can do, of course, is to select everything. So that's Command A or Control A, Shift up arrow. So you'd make your adjustments on those notes, and then when you've finished making the adjustments, let me just get rid of that. So Command A or Control plus A if you're on PC. And then you just shift and arrow down to get it all back. So yeah, that's it in context of this remix that I've done. This is the classic Candy Stanton, You Got the Love. And that's available to preview at the moment on SoundCloud. I'll put a link into the description. Have a listen and let me know what you think.